This is Garage 2 here at Sac State in Sacramento. BRM. It's been a long time since I've ridden these. It smells nice in here.
Third floor.
It sounds like third, but it's fourth. Look at that indicator. Its segments are all like broken. Well, I guess since we can't write the other one, right this one here.
Third floor.
I guess it kind of sounds like fourth. Yep. Basic parking structure elevator though. It's got a dry power motor, which is nice. CA92. Cool.
Right.
That sounded cool when both of them rang. Interesting place for the access. Okay.